Managing schedules and skills manually in your industrial teams takes time you can't afford to lose. It slows production and limits workforce versatility. With Mercateam, you can run your production teams from one powerful platform. Boost efficiency and agility with automatic scheduling, instantly matching the right person to the right job based on skills, authorizations, and operational constraints. Collaborate seamlessly across sites and teams. Digitize and centralize skills management with our skills and certification matrix. See your workforce at a glance, forecast future needs, and track progress with our versatility matrix. Build versatility with integrated training paths. Create, track, and validate personalized programs. Automate approvals, and get people up to speed faster than ever. Connect your HR data for smooth, streamlined workforce management. Mercateam customers save up to 90% of the time spent on skills audits, slash scheduling time in half, and boost versatility by 25%. Over 300 industrial sites already rely on Mercateam. Ready to get started? Let's transform the way you manage your teams.